But here's the market opening for you. Looking good this morning. The first tick on the index, the Nifty is up 75 points. The Sensex up 200 points. And the market breadth as well in favor of advances. So we've started front foot forward. It's a Nifty bank that is supporting the market today. The PSU Bank Index is the top gainer, actually. The Nifty PSU Bank Index up almost 1.5%. So that is the one leading from the front this morning. Adani Group stocks are staging a comeback, but now the market is getting a bit choppy. So just keep an eye out on that. BPCL is your top gainer after a good set of numbers. SBI 1% higher after the steep fall it's seen in the last many days. M&M on good bookings for the XUV 400 EV, that's looking good. DRL is up about 0.6%. Reliance, Bharti Airtel, SBI Life, a couple of other stocks that are trending on the green line. On the downside, Tech Mahindra posted its numbers is down about 1%. HCL Tech is also under a bit of pressure. In fact, all IT stocks are a bit under the weather this morning. Wipro is down about 0.5%. So is TCS in the red a tad bit. Other banks as well. Axis Bank is dragging its feet a bit. Indices, Kotak Mahindra Bank are also a tad bit soft this morning. And L&T is down 1% post its numbers. As our colleague Vivek was also telling us, that there is a bit of a disappointment in the EPC margins. Maybe that has caused some profit taking. In any case, the stock has had a good run as well. So now L&T is down about 1.5%. So it is a slightly positive opening, getting a bit choppy at the moment, so do keep an eye out on that. Of course, holding on to the lows of yesterday, which was 17,400, which is good for the bulls, but not making too much headway on the upside. So definitely some caution on board. Couple of more stocks to watch. UltraTech Cement is in the green right now. And in terms of monthly movers, you've had a big move coming in on Tata Motors this month. It's up 15%, the biggest Nifty gainer this month, and it's adding on some more weight this morning, up about 0.3%. In fact, all auto stocks, Tata Motors, M&M, Bajaj Auto, Maruti Suzuki, come out with their sales tomorrow. And ahead of that, this pocket is looking strong amidst all the chaos. So just keep an eye out on that. But the market is really very turbulent, and just perhaps, wait and watch ahead of the big event.
Well, that's right, Sonia. And the call earlier today was don't chase the opening. I think that's playing out because the Nifty is almost moved into the red. So just keep an eye out on that front. Lotus Laboratory as well. First look at it, it appeared that the numbers were good. But after that, if you looked at the fine print, well, the numbers are a little bit disappointing. And now they have scaled back on their guidance as well, both on the margins as well as on the profitability front. Remember, that was scaling back from already being scaled back. So that stock has pulled back closer on 2.5%. Coforge is under some pressure. That's down closer around 2%. REC, those numbers look quite disappointing. Abhishek told us that the margins were at multi-quarter lows, so that stock has opened up with a bit of a cut. On the flip side, you have Ambuja Cements. Yesterday as well, the stock had opened up well in the green, but it ended almost in the red. For starters, it's up 4%. ACC as well is higher. Remember, it comes out with a set of numbers later today. And you have Adani Enterprises that's opened up with a gain of around 3.5%. That's going to be the crucial factor in today's trade. SRF, the numbers look quite good yesterday. Sonal told us late in trade. Well, it's building on some of those gains. So that stock is up closer around 3% as we speak. KEC International, they bagged an order more than 1,000 crores out. So I think that stock had opened up well in the green. So keep an eye out on that one. On the flip side, a couple of other names like Imfarm, that stock is a little bit under pressure. I don't know what's gone on in Mangalore Chemicals, but that stock has opened up with a gain of closer around 10%. Mangalore Chemicals and Fertilizers up 10% as we speak. Prashant?
The market's now actually in the red. It flipped into the red for a brief moment. 17,655 or so is where we are at. Look at that. I mean, absolutely flat is what we have.